Early bed and early rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. And today I am here for making English practicing video. And I think morning time is the best time for practice English. And if you guys want to learn English, if you guys want to speak English, then you have to remove your hesitation, remove your shyness or fairness. Yeah, so how can you remove your fairness, how can you remove your shyness? It's the process. If you want, then you can make a video like me in front of camera. You can practice in front of camera, and you can practice in front of mirror. That will be helpful for you. And morning time is the best time. I'm feeling fantastic today, and you can see there are lots of trees behind me, and right now I am on the river side. It's called Mogra River, and yeah, the view, morning view, you can see morning view as well. It's really very nice, and I'm feeling very good. Behind me there are lots of paddy fields as well, and I came here at 6 a.m. and it's almost 6:30 a.m. like that, and already I made 3 videos, and what should I say? So you know guys, that morning time is the best time for making English video, so for English practicing as well. So if you guys want, then you can feel morning pure air, because I'm feeling that, and it's really wonderful. I don't describe it in English because it's mind-blowing. Okay, so right now I'm going to at my home because I already made English video, and you know one thing, that it's quite challenging for me to speak English in front of people, like public place, because my English is not good and I'm practicing. So I feel like you, I feel hesitation, I feel fairness, and I would like to remove that, and that is why I'm here. I'm here for making English practice video. So yeah, my camera, in front camera is not good, but you can see the sun is rising, and it's really wonderful view, and I can see that because I'm morning person. So let me know guys, are you a morning person or night owl? If you guys go to bed late at night, then you are night owl. In English, you are night owl. And if you guys like me, if you guys woke up early in the morning, then you are a morning person. So I am a morning person. So let me know, are you a morning person or are you a night owl? That's it. I don't want to eat more longer. So goodbye.